Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing the best washer and dryer sliders available on the market, the lemtrflo Extendable Appliance Rollers. If you've been struggling to move your heavy appliances, such as washing machines, dryers, refrigerators, or even mini fridges, this product might be the solution you've been searching for. The lemtrflo Appliance Roller is a game-changer when it comes to home convenience. It features a telescopic base with a double-row design, which means you can easily extend the length from 17.5 inches to 28 inches. This adjustable feature allows you to move not just your washing machine, but also refrigerators, sofas, and other large furniture without any hassle. Whether you're cleaning behind your appliances or rearranging your home, these rollers make it a smooth and easy task. One of the standout features of these appliance sliders is their ease of use. There's no complicated installation required. Simply place the rollers under your appliances and press down on the brakes to keep everything in place. When you need to move your appliances, just release the brakes, and you're good to go. This is particularly helpful for maintaining cleanliness in hard-to-reach areas that often gather dust and bacteria. For those of you who might be worried about stability, lemtrflo has equipped these rollers with 24 upgraded wheels that enhance the smoothness and steadiness while moving heavy objects. These small wheels ensure your appliance moves without tipping over, and they also lift your appliance off the ground by 1.6 inches, which helps with ventilation and prevents rust. Another great feature is the anti-slip washer stand, which comes with foam pads for better grip and to reduce vibrations. This is a particularly important feature for washing machines, as it helps to prevent shaking or slipping, keeping your machine stable while in use. The durable and sturdy construction of these rollers means they can support up to 660 pounds. This makes them perfect for heavy-duty appliances, and whether you're using them for your washing machine, refrigerator, or even larger pieces of furniture, they are designed to last. The high-quality metal material ensures they can handle heavy-duty use without any issues. Overall, the lemtrflo Extendable Appliance Rollers are a must-have for anyone looking for an easy, efficient way to move their heavy household appliances. With their adjustable design, durable wheels, and user-friendly operation, they truly stand out as the best washer and dryer sliders you can buy. Make sure to grab a set for your home and say goodbye to the struggle of moving heavy appliances. Thanks for watching Product Critique.